In the latest, now the Samajwadi Party chief has attacked the Uttar Pradesh chief minister over employment. SP chief has said that the youth came to Prayagraj with the hope of employment. Akhilesh Yadav says that the UP government failed to provide employment to the youth.
प्रयागराज में 4 लाख छात्र जो प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी करते हैं, आप आश्चर्य करेंगे, उन सभी 4 लाख छात्रों ने अपनी जो नई बाइक खरीदी होगी उसका खर्चा निकाल दिया। पूरा जितना उन्होंने खरीदा था उससे ज्यादा उन्होंने उससे कमा लिया।
So now, after the comments made by UP Chief Minister at the India Today conclave, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has hit out at Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over employment. Akhilesh Yadav has said that the youth came to Prayagraj with the hopes of finding jobs, finding vacancies, but instead they've been met with unemployment, and the UP government has in fact failed to provide employment to the youth that came to Prayagraj. My colleague Santosh Sharma is joining me on the phone line with more details. Santosh, we're seeing a war of words that has broken out with SP Chief hitting out at Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, saying that the Uttar Pradesh government has failed to provide employment to the youth that came to Prayagraj. Give us more details on the backdrop of why this is happening and why his comments are coming in.
The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said in India conclave that due to Kumbh, many more students who were preparing for their job examination got an employment, and they got their bike amount returned as they got an opportunity to help those pilgrims or help those devotees, those who went to Kumbh. But on this statement of Yogi Adityanath, now SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav countered and questioned that on one side UP government is saying that we are giving an employment, but by this UP government is giving an employment of bike owners, and there is a vacancy of one bike, one single seat on a single bike in Prayagraj. This is the reality of employment of the UP government claimed. So we can say that Akhilesh Yadav, the chief of Samajwadi Party, questioned that statement of CM Yogi that he gave an employment, and due to Kumbh, many more persons got an opportunity to earn their livelihood. But now SP Chief has countered this statement as an employment that those who were preparing for the examination, they didn't get the employment. Even they got an opportunity for a bike riders and to get an opportunity to earn and get their price of a bike by this in 44 days. So the politics is on. Politics is erupted after CM Yogi given a statement of employment and given an example of Kumbh biker, those who use their bikes for the devotees to move from one place to another. And now the Akhilesh Yadav has countered this statement of CM Yogi Adityanath.
Absolutely, Santosh. Thank you for bringing us those details on that story. Now, the India Today conclave took place yesterday with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath slamming the opposition on Mahakumbh. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath gave a befitting reply to those who criticized Mahakumbh and stated that the Sanatanis who visited the largest gathering on earth silenced the critics by coming out in large numbers. He also recalled West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Mrityu Kumbh remark and stated that devotees are now calling it Mrityunjay Mahakumbh and silenced those making negative remarks. Chief Minister Yogi also spoke about the stampede incident that broke out on the day Mauni Amavasya took place and said that the administration took subsequent steps to ensure the safety and security of 8 crore devotees who took a holy dip that day.
जिन लोगों ने कहा कि ये तो मृत्यु कुंभ है या जिन लोगों ने कहा ये तो फालतू है, तो जिस तरह का प्रयास आपने और उत्तर प्रदेश के प्रशासन ने पूरा मिलकर किया, क्या आहत हुए आप लोग इससे?
देखिए, हम लोग इस प्रकार की टिप्पणी सुनने के आदी हैं। उन्होंने मृत्यु कुंभ कहा तो जनता जनार्दन ने, देशवासियों ने और पूरे दुनिया से आए हुए सनातन धर्मावलंबियों ने कह दिया कि नहीं, ये मृत्यु नहीं, ये मृत्युंजय महाकुंभ है। उन्होंने उनको जवाब दे दिया और उनकी उपस्थिति, जो गंगा जल को लेकर के टिप्पणी करते थे, इस आयोजन को लेकर के टिप्पणी करते थे, उनका जवाब जनता जनार्दन की उपस्थिति ने दे दिया है। और मुझे लगता है कि एक लंबे समय तक उन लोगों के लिए भी स्मरणीय होगा और उनके पास पश्चाताप के अलावा दूसरा चारा नहीं होगा। हमारी पहली प्राथमिकता थी कि जो श्रद्धालु आया है उसको सुरक्षित स्नान करा करके यहां से भेजा जाए। दूसरा, इस आयोजन को पैनिक बनाने की बजाय एक घटना जो हो गई है उसकी हम जांच कर रहे हैं। एक कमीशन जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने लागू वहाँ पे गठित किया था और जिस पे हाई कोर्ट ने कुछ उसका विस्तार दिया है, माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने भी उसके बारे में और माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने भी जो कुछ उसके बारे में ऑब्जर्वेशंस थे उसको लागू करते हुए हम लोगों ने इसको विस्तार दिया है और वह अपना कार्य कर रहा है। लेकिन मेरा ये मानना था कि जो पहली आवश्यकता थी कि क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट का पहला वो होता है कि जो सुरक्षित हैं उनको सेव करना और जो दुर्घटना के शिकार हो गए हैं उनको उचित गंतव्य तक, हॉस्पिटल तक पहुंचाना। प्रशासन ने दोनों जिम्मेदारियों का वहां ईमानदारी पूर्वक निर्वहन करने का प्रयास किया और बाकी कमीशन की रिपोर्ट आने दीजिए। कमीशन की रिपोर्ट में जो भी होगा हम उसके अनुसार फिर उसमें जवाबदेही तय करेंगे।